In today's video, we'll create this monogram logo using Canva. So let's begin. First, open Canva, click on Templates, choose Logo, click on Create a blank logo. First, change the background color. Go to Elements, then Shapes. Add a circle. Change its color to black. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate the circle. Change its color to white. Now reduce its size. Place it in the center of the bigger circle. After this, go to Elements. Add a square shape. Now, adjust its height with the circle. And also adjust its width to match the circle width. Change its color to red. Adjust its position. Duplicate it. Duplicate again and rotate slightly. Now, adjust all shapes' positions to create the N letter. After this, duplicate the shape. Change its color to black. Duplicate one and rotate it to 90 degrees. Now, we'll set the length to 306 pixels. Duplicate and place it at the bottom and middle position. Set the length to approximately 225 pixels. After this, duplicate the shape. Place it in the middle of the N letter. Go to Position. Send it to back. Duplicate and rotate to 90 degrees. Place it on top. Now duplicate this circle and place it like us. Next, change the color of the N shapes to white. Select all elements and group them. Change the background to white. Go to Share. Download it in PNG format. Take a new blank page. Go to Upload. Upload the downloaded image. Add it to the design. Remove its background. Go to Edit, then Apps. Choose the Vectorify app. Click on Convert to Vector. Vectorify automatically converts your PNG file to vector format. Click on Add to Design. In this way, you can easily change your PNG logo to vector format. Now delete the PNG file and adjust its position. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Here, you can change your logo color easily. Now, select the background. Click on Color. Choose this gradient background. Select the logo. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Choose Custom. Set the highlights color to white and the shadows to white as well. In this way, we can create our professional logo. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.